This is the Globaljet private jet experience for the Falcon 2000. This is a 3,500 nautical mile range 7-hour aircraft that seats 10 passengers with a stand-up cabin. The aircraft cruises at about 540 knots and can easily make Hawaii from Arizona or Europe non-stop from the East Coast. If you're interested in chartering this aircraft, the aircraft charters out at about $5,800 an hour, comes with a flight attendant, and easily seats 10. You can call Globaljet at 480-563-4711 or contact via the web www.flyglobaljet.com.